going to show you all how to mix the fermented rice root powder into these vessels. I'm going to be doing this experiment for the next 6 months to see if this fermented rice root and the whole Cecred line can finally stop my fussy hair from shredding. Follow me so you do not miss this experience with me. So the first step you need to mix your water is to get a vessel, and then you get the fermented powder, root powder, and you need 24 ounces of water, warm water. Follow the direction as described in the package so that you get the best and effective results. First, you clean the bottle. So I'm going to take the fermented rice protein powder and put it in the clean vessel. I'm going to be using now 24 ounces of warm water. Now that I have my warm water in here, if you guys can see this, I'm going to cover it up. I have to shake it thoroughly until the water turns clear. So after shaking it, this is how it's going to look. It looks like so clear. You see this clear? That means you've shaked it right. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to use this fermented rice root powder into your scalp and your hair to prevent shredding and promote strengthening good hair from Cecred by Beyoncé. Follow me so you do not miss this experience I'll be doing with this line. Thank you for watching. Follow Aisha Skins for more honest skincare and beauty review.